Haka jingalang berkila patai kubur uba Ernest Mauri ubadiru presiden ka BJP haka jela ulaong ba haka election ka banwan ka BJP kan bu kertok na baro kin rupo tuli ki constituency. Hendrai ka BJP ka Kyrmen ban job shipau hadu khasan sit berkani kan long kat kum ka jingjurep na kibriu haka parti. Haka jingalang bala long Delhi bat kinong yalam ka BJP unong yalam ka BJP Meghalaya ula IT ya ka kaipot halo ka election ha Meghalaya ka bakan thup ya kin rupo tuli ki constituency. Ka BJP hadu menta kampat penbena ya ki kerteng jogi kertong ki banya khun na kani ka parti hendrai kan sa penbena ya ki kerteng shen hadu menta shispa ar pulangut kinong pan tiket na ka parti batkan sa shim ya karai bakin sa penbena ya ka kerteng ka jongki.
No, that is mean like project seat. It is not that we are going to contest all the seat. It means that from the party this seat which we are projecting like this potential seat, because you see there will be a great national party A, B, C category. So this seat which I have only highlight just now, it is a projected seat. Winnability chance is more than that seat. We are expecting to win more than that. But you see, we are in line with the survey also. We'll just not go for just a press report or a piece of paper. We are working in the ground. So whatever report I have tabled in the Central Executive Committee meeting, that is fact.